how to remove an SDS drill bit. Now you've come to the SDS drill here and you don't know how to remove the actual drill bit, as it's not like a traditional drill like this where the chuck needs to be churned. So what you need to do here is pull this chuck collar back all the way like that. With it pulled all the way back, you simply pull your drill bit out like that. It's as simple as that. So pull that collar back and you can relocate it. Now if you're not all the way back like that, it won't locate, so you need to all the way back, push the drill bit in, release, and it's in like that. Again, to recap, collar all the way back and simply pull it out. So that's how easy it is to remove an SDS drill bit from an SDS drill. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.